The best backup is your most recent backup, and thanks to the powerful incremental backup built into OrientDB Enterprise Edition, you can back up as often as your business needs demand. Instead of working around your technical environment, OrientDB's nonstop incremental backup and restore stores only the changes between your most recent full backup and your database's present state. No more filling drive after drive with redundant copies of data. When you need to restore data, OrientDB's restore utility simply regenerates the data in the same fashion, starting with the last full backup and rebuilding up to the present using the smaller incremental backups. It's all the safety and control your organization demands, with none of the hassle. Save space and time with OrientDB Enterprise Edition's nonstop incremental backup and restore. To learn more, try OrientDB Enterprise Edition today.